Hey there, welcome back to Young Founders Club. Whether you're starting a side hustle or building the next big thing, one thing's for sure, a strong brand can make or break your business. But how do you create a brand that stands out, connects with your audience, and drives success? That's exactly what we're diving into today. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's build that unforgettable brand together. Let's start with the basics. Your brand isn't just your logo or your business name, it's how people perceive you. It's your story, your vibe, and the experience customers get when they interact with you. A strong brand builds trust, loyalty, and recognition. Think Nike's Just Do It or Apple's sleek simplicity. Your goal? Build something that makes people say, "This is exactly what I need." To create a strong brand, you first need to understand your audience. Who are they? What do they care about? Where do they hang out online? Tools like SEMrush and BuzzSumo can help you dive deep into your audience's interests and behavior. By the way, I've linked these tools in the description below. Check them out. Now, let's talk identity. Your brand identity includes your logo, colors, typography, and tone of voice. It's the visual and emotional connection you build with your customers. Tools like Canva are a lifesaver for designing professional logos and marketing materials without breaking the bank. Pro tip: keep your visuals consistent across all platforms. It creates trust and looks super polished. Everyone loves a good story. What inspired you to start your business? What problem are you solving? Share your journey in a way that feels authentic. A great tool for organizing your thoughts and ideas is Notion. Use it to map out your story and brand values. Remember, people don't just buy products, they buy stories and emotions. A catchy tagline is like the cherry on top. Think of Airbnb's "Belong Anywhere" or McDonald's "I'm loving it." What's your brand's promise? Make it short, sweet, and memorable. Need help brainstorming? Check out tools like Jasper AI to spark creative ideas. In today's world, your online presence is everything. Your website, social media, and even email newsletters all need to reflect your brand. Platforms like Squarespace or Wix are fantastic for building sleek, professional websites without any coding. For social media scheduling, try Later. It's super easy to use. Consistency is what separates amateurs from pros. Every post, every email, every ad, make sure it reflects your brand's voice and visuals. Keep a branding checklist handy to ensure everything stays on point. If you're managing a team, Slack is a great tool for keeping everyone aligned. Finally, remember that branding is an ongoing process. Test different strategies, listen to feedback, and tweak your brand as you grow. Analytics tools like Google Analytics or HubSpot can help you understand what's working and what isn't. And don't be afraid to pivot, it's all part of the journey. Branding might feel overwhelming at first, but trust me, you've got this. Just take it step by step and remember, branding is about connecting with your audience on a deeper level. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips to grow your business. And hey, if you have questions or need advice, drop them in the comments. I'd love to help. Want to start building your brand today? Check out the affiliate links in the description for tools like Canva, SEMrush, and Jasper AI. They're game changers for any business owner.